Hey everyone, Michael Menino back from Home Helper Solutions. We buy houses in Oakland, Macomb, Lapeer, Genesee County, Michigan. And I just want to show you our project that we're working on right here in Waterford on Windiate. This house is really cool because it also has lake access right there. But I'm going to show you guys inside. It is cold in this beautiful state. I believe it's 16 degrees right now. So I'm going to walk you guys in. If you notice, we got a new front door. Ooh, ah. And over here, I love the woodworking in this house. So this house was spectacular. The woodworking was already like 90% of it was already done, and we just had to salvage some of it. But you know, so the casing around the windows and up top and around this entertainment center, like where the TV goes, all the way around it, we just updated it with some new lights. This one we kind of changed the theme on. We kind of went with like a farmhouse rustic look. We have the floor is dark walnut. It's a little dirty right now, but we refinished the floor and actually added some new floor. So on the first floor, there's hardwood floor going throughout. All right, so this is the piece of resistance. So you guys ready for this? Look at this kitchen. I mean, this kitchen is absolutely stunning. We have the farmhouse shaker style cabinetry and with the black handles, and look at that soft closure. We went with this really upgraded type of quartz. You can see it has these dark veins going throughout. We also have this really cool, unique kitchen faucet. We went with gold, just kind of break it up with the black and gold. Let me know what you guys think about that. Half of my team hates it and the other half loves it. So I'd just love to see what you guys think. And then changing up from white to this gray backsplash. Brand new stainless steel appliances, and I love this wall of like cabinets around it. This is really, really cool. All right, so I'll show you guys over here. So this is a 3-bed, 1-bath house. Show you guys over here. Take it to the bathroom. All right, look at this bathroom. This is stunning. I believe it is this is a 6-foot door. It has a 6-foot wide shower. Typically they're 5 foot. We have this awesome like farmhouse shower door over here. Really cool, large, I think it's a 48-inch vanity and mirror, and really cool. We got a heated toilet in this one. Just wanted to try it out, see what it's like. I've been hearing all the rave about it, Baudet heated toilet. And then this is where the master is. So you got a little bit of peekaboo view of the water over here. Hardwood floor throughout. We refinished it. It looks awesome. I'll take you guys over here. And this is the doors for it. These are going to be barn doors, so they're going to open up. We're just waiting for the track system. And then we have another bedroom over here. Same thing. We got in all the bedrooms and the living room, we got these lights and these like Edison light bulbs. I really like them. It's a very unique finish to it. And then all we have over here is just the last bedroom. But yeah, so jokingly, this was known as the flea house because when we first bought this house, there's fleas everywhere. We had a flea bomb at like, I think 3 times. This was the eyesore of the city. But after a lot of hard work with our team, we're able to clean this up, turn this thing around. It's probably one of the prettiest houses now on the block. And this is the stuff that we love to do. So if you or someone else you know has a house in Michigan and want to sell, we bought this house cash. We came in, you see the renovations we did. We got rid of the fleas. So if you got fleas in your house, don't worry about it. We'll take care of that. And we'll take care of any debris as well. We buy it cash as is, and we love to do this beautiful work and keep our amazing crew busy. So this is Mike Menino from Home Helper Solutions. Feel free to give us a call at 248-783-8009. That is 248-783-8009. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.